Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Pretty in Pink. Today we're going to be doing some Dollar Tree nails again. Let's get right to it. So I've got this pack of 60-piece nails that I got from the Dollar Tree. These were actually $1, not $1.25. I got it before the Dollar Tree change. Then I have 2 packs of jewels. In the last video we only used 1 pack, which made us have a total of $3.75, but today the nails are going to cost $5 because that extra $1.25 since we need 2 packs. Then we are also going to be needing our super glue as usual, and then some tweezers to help us apply the jewels today. So let's get started. Here I'm just showing you that I've already taken out the nails that I want. I picked out the white nails for today, and so I'm now pulling them into frame before I get started. I already have them lined up, obviously by size. You know how I like to keep things nice and organized, as most people do. One thing I want to touch on is the reason why we have 2 packs. We have 2 packs because 1 pack has really small silver jewels, and we'll be using those in combination with the large black diamonds on the other pack. And once everything is to my liking, I will be explaining the design that we're creating today. Okay, so I will be taking out the jewels individually this time from the packs and placing them on. So here you see I took out 2 of those kind of diamonds and I put them side by side and make them look like a heart. This is the middle finger that I'm doing. You know, I love to decorate the middle finger, and then I have the rest of the nails kind of like accents. So once I glue that as a heart, I start working on the other fingers, and to do that I put a little black diamond at the base of those while I let the middle finger kind of set. Then once I've put those jewels on, I will continue on the middle finger. One little note I want to talk about is that I'm actually taking out each jewel off of the paper and sticking it on. Last time I kept it on the paper and that caused the nails to snag in my hair and things like that. Okay, so now that those are setting, we're going to go back to the middle finger, which has the heart, and we're just going to add 3 of those silver circular jewels on there, right underneath the heart. Once we've done that, we go to the accents, the accent nails, and we're just adding 1 silver jewel underneath each diamond. Super simple, super quick, super easy nail art, and here's a zoom in of what it should look like. And then once you've done one hand, you just do the next in the exact same way. Now onto the fun part, actually getting to wear the nails. So because we decorated them ahead of time, this part is super easy compared to the last time when I was doing my other Material Girl nails. So now it's super simple, there's no hassle. All I have to do is glue the nails onto my natural nail bed. So that's what you're just gonna watch me do now. So now my nails are fully applied, but what is that I feel? I feel a little bit of super glue, so of course I take my vitamin E oil and my gingham lotion and I apply those. Of course you do not need to use vitamin E oil. I just use it because at this point it's just like a staple now. And I put some of the oil on my press-on nail. I know it's plastic, but for some reason it just makes the nail, in my opinion, just feel better or look better when I do that. Then of course I apply my lotion, and you saw me pause right there because I actually forgot to file my nails. So what you're gonna see is me drying off the tips of my press-on nails so that they'll be nice and dry so I can file them down. Then once I file them down, you're going to see me reapply lotion again. So yeah, that's what you're about to see. So that's it, those are the nails. This was super fun and super easy. My method has vastly improved from the last time I did my nails, and now you know what it's time for? Glamour shots. Like I said before, these nails were super fun and super easy, and they lasted me 2 whole weeks. I think part of the reason is because they were shorter than the last nails, and they only cost us $5. I highly recommend them, and I hope you guys like the video. If you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like it, please give me a like and subscribe. Bye!